What are you gonna do? Send it to Jackie. Say, here, Jackie, here's Mama's cat. You want it? To play, come play with it. Oh my gosh, no, 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 no. She ate the middle piece. Still. It's a snake. Not for long. You were so silly. This is great. I needed to get a smaller kitty. My mom was right. You know? Mm-hmm. She does help depression. You're so funny. What? Okay. Let's see if I have that other toy over here. Hold up. Here it is. Oh, I didn't get rid of that one. Goody. Goody, goody gumdrops.
Yeah, that's what's supposed to happen.
Yeah, so you like it. Yep, I'm gonna have to get you a small rope one. You like the dog's toy. That's good.